Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues. Please subscribe to our channel. You know, there's a big difference between physical custody and legal custody, and they really address two different things. While physical custody, for example, might be more about where the children routinely sleep at night, legal custody has more to do with the decision making. The relevant decision makings that impact the children, like medical decisions, religious decisions, school decisions, etc., etc. So a lot of times you'll see custody divided sort of in half. Dad may have the physical custody of the children. They may primarily stay with him, but the parties share the decision making because they're both parents. And we see that a lot. Every now and then we see one parent vested with both. So that means the children are primarily staying, let's say, with dad, and he's making all the decisions. And in that situation, a lot of times somebody will call and say, hey, I don't have any level of custody at all. I don't share legal custody. I don't share physical custody. I do have parenting time, but I've learned that my ex wants to take the children out of the country. What can I do? Well, first of all, we have to distinguish between short duration and long duration. If your ex wants to take the children out of the country because it's spring break and they're going to go, to Playa del Carmen, so they're going to Mexico, there's nothing you can do. There's no reason why your ex shouldn't do that. There's no reason why you should deny your children that opportunity to be to a nice place, a warm place. February break isn't so much fun here in Michigan, so go someplace warm. There's no reason in the world why that should bother you. Not only that, you don't have legal custody. You don't share in the decision making, so you don't get to really comment on that. However, what if the problem is that the ex wants to take the children out of the country permanently? Well, even though you don't have custodial rights and all that, you have your visitation rights, and a permanent departure will interfere with your rights, what little rights you have. So what do you do about that? So in order for the ex to do that, the ex just can't pick up and leave the jurisdiction with the children. The ex would have to file a petition to change the legal residence of the kids. And you, in turn, will have your attorney file objections and a counter motion regarding that. And they, of course, will argue that it's in the best interest of the children to leave. And you, of course, will argue that this interferes with your rights. It's not in the best interest of the children. They should leave and they should stay put. And then, of course, the court will determine if they go and under what circumstances. And that's really all you can do if the ex is planning a permanent move. If you have any questions about that, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.